Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video and an update on Solana. It's going to be a relatively bullish update for those of you who like Solana, so that's good. But we're going to do a full update, and the fact that I'm bullish is also based on things we can see right now and things that I think objectively are actually bullish. All right, so that's what we'll do. Got a nice bounce earlier today. From this level right here, it's kind of the retest of the 0.5 fib of this entire move down. So just in general, a respected level around 152. Got a solid reaction from there. Basically, the entire market, altcoins, but also Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of did the same, right? So you can see the altcoin market was at strong support as well. Bounced from there, and now you can see very, very similar price action between most cryptos. But there's other reasons why I think so. So this is Bitcoin. I mean, this is very similar to what Solana is doing right now, right? But there are other reasons why I do think Solana right now is more bullish, and that's and also why I am accumulating Solana spot. And that is that I think Solana, compared to the market, is actually gaining ground. All right, so it's gaining more and more momentum. It's getting more and more bullish, as you can also see with the chart of Solana against Bitcoin, and that has historically been a great time to get into Solana. All right, so here, if you look at the daily time frame, like every time we arguably switched bullish, right? So we actually broke the trend, and then we started gaining some momentum for Solana specifically as well. The last time I would argue we did that was the 26th of June. And back then, we actually were able to rally all the way up to this level right here at 194. And arguably, if you compare the current times to June, I would say the markets are a little bit more bullish, or at least there's more reasons to actually be bullish on the markets. So that's why I think Solana has potential. All right, usually if Solana starts outperforming, and we do have resistance here of Solana against Bitcoin, right? So it's not going to be only up. And if you look at Solana right here, on the 4-hour time frame, and you take a look at the momentum, you can also see that earlier today we got some momentum coming in, but the momentum, there's no sustained bullish momentum coming in, which is very different from what we saw, for example, the 18th of September. So we're still waiting for that, but we have a lot of support here between 152 and all the way down to 145. So like I said, if Solana against Bitcoin finds resistance, if Bitcoin in general falls down a little bit lower, which is a possibility, then we can see some sort of a pullback from Solana into levels a bit deeper. But I think it's a matter of time before we actually are able to find support there, get up to 162, find resistance there, but then break above that. All right. And those are my thoughts. On the short term, if you would ask me, is it most likely that we're going to be able to hold this level at 152, which is our main support, 152, 154, or are we going to drop down lower to 145? I would say it depends a lot on the US session opening today. But I would say at this moment, I think it's more likely that we're going to be able to hold 152. So that's, don't hold me accountable on that, but that's overall what I would say the most likely scenario is from here. But like I said, it depends quite a bit on well, first of all, I think you should keep an eye on Solana against Bitcoin. But then outside of that, it also depends quite a bit on how Bitcoin behaves in the US session today, because yesterday we saw a very big sell-off. If that is going on again today, Bitcoin will drop down lower and Solana will follow that. All right. So even though Solana is stronger comparatively, it is not completely resistant to every Bitcoin drop. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.